Hello viewers, hope you're doing great. If you're here to learn how to solve 3x3 color cube, I've made an introductory video on the cube. So if you haven't watched it yet, so go and watch the video first. The link is in the description. If you're still here, I would expect that you've been through the video first. In the video, I've told you that I will teach you to solve the Rubik's cube in 4 steps. So this video is all about the first step of solving Rubik's cube. I named this step making plus. To solve the Rubik's cube, first thing you need to do is making plus. So to make plus, we first shuffle it. After shuffling it, we will choose a color. Let's suppose I've chosen white color. So I have to make plus in this color. So first I will solve this button, the white and orange. So to solve this button, we will bring it down and we will align the orange color to its center color. So it's aligned. So we also have to align this white button to its center button. So to align that, we will simply move it upwards. As you can see, it's aligned. And this is already aligned. I didn't solve it. This was already aligned. So then I will see this one, this white and green. Oh, as you can see, the green is already aligned, so it makes us easier to solve this cube. So we will align the white color to its place by moving it upwards. And now you can see it's also aligned. And we will see the one button, and this is here, white and blue. So to align this, we will first bring it down. While bringing it down, you can see one button is disturbed, but we will solve it later. So we will move it to right, and we will bring the disturb button to its right place. So as you can see, it is on its right place. Then we will align the blue color. So this is aligned. Then we will align the white color by moving it upwards towards the white 2 times. So as you can see guys, the plus is ready. By making plus, you have to keep in mind that this should be aligned colors. As you can see, this is aligned, this is aligned, and this is aligned. This is also aligned. So this was the first step. I will make another plus in this Rubik's cube to make you more understand. So let's choose green color in this cube. So first we'll see this, we will solve this button, green and yellow. So to solve this, we will simply bring the yellow to its center button. As you can see, it is solved. And then we will solve this one, red and green. So we'll first bring this near to red. Yeah, red is here. So we will attach this thread to its center button. And we will move green to upside this. And while solving this, one button was disturbed. So we will bring it back to its original place. And as you can see, the half of the plus is ready. Then we will solve this button. It's also already aligned. So we will move it upwards. So this is also aligned. Now this button is also aligned. So we will simply move it 2 times upwards to the green. So guys, as you can see, the plus is ready. So this was all about the first step of solving the Rubik's cube, that is making plus. In the next video, I will teach you the second step to solve the cube. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for immediate update. Till the next video, keep practicing.